Good afternoon, students. This today we are going to handle with the 9th standard, the first unit, that is computer peripherals. Okay, what is mean by computer peripherals? Okay, computer is a versatile machine that can process data and provide us with the important information that we use in our day-to-day lives. Okay, what is meant? Computer is a versatile machine. Versatile means you have a more number of phases, like more in so many phases we are using a computer. For that we are using day-to-day life, we are using for the computer. Need to find your average monthly expenditure to keep the track of your pocket money for a particular year. If you want to keep a track of your pocket money, how much you spend, how much spent on which, that is you are maintaining with the computer system. You can use the computer and enter the different amounts that spent each month and use formula to calculate the average. That is there. In Excel sheet you are using by adding formulas you can calculate the average of how much you spent average throughout the year. A computer is made up of several input and output devices that work together and are known as computer peripherals. Those parts that can you see and touch are called hardware. Okay, what is mean by peripherals? The peripherals means the input and output devices that work together are known as a computer peripherals. Those parts which you can see and touch, they are called as a hardware. Okay, the computer has a collection of codes, programs, applications installed into its hard drive that allows it to perform tasks. This is called a software. Means the software is a codes, the sum of the codes or programs that is built up in the hardware devices. It is a intangible. Intangible means invisible, that is not touchable or seen. That is called a software. Okay, first we will discuss with which all are the input devices. You all know, right? Input devices, you can see the input devices are any devices that allows you to enter data into the computer. Keyboard and mouse are the most commonly used input devices, also known as primary input devices. Based on requirements, you can use several types of input devices like scanner, joystick, touchpad, light pen, web camera, then stylus, and so on. Let us learn about input devices. First one is, you familiar with keyboard. Okay, what is keyboard? A keyboard has a small buttons called keys. There are alphanumeric keys, numeric keypad, function keys, control keys and navigation keys on a keyboard that help you to enter data into the computer. A standard QWERTY keyboard refers to as the first 6 letters on the upper row. Okay, you can see the keyboard. In the keyboard, the upper right, okay, the upper row is called as QWERTY keyboard. QWERTY. This is called as a QWERTY keyboard. The QWERTY keyboard has a 104 keys. Okay, the QWERTY keyboard has 104 keys. Okay, the next input device is mouse. A mouse is another common input device connected to the computer. It also is a handheld pointing device that controls the cursor and helps to select files, folders, images, icons, etc. As seen on the monitor, it is placed on a flat surface or on a mouse pad. Generally, a mouse has 2 buttons and a wheel to help a user with the following functions. First one is move the cursor, select, hover, open the and execute a program, drag and drop, scroll. These are use of a mouse. There are 3 keys: right click, left click and scroll button. There are different types of mouse available like wireless, optical, then trackball and G-stick mouse. Okay, you can see in the internet and search the optical mouse or trackball mouse and G-stick mouse also you can search. Okay, then next one is, next input devices is scanner. The main use of scanner is the scanner is an input device that scans the contents on a paper into digital format. Scanning helps to convert pages to text and photographs into a format that can be viewed or saved and edited on the computer. Scanners synchronizes with the computer software that imports data from the scanner into the computer. Flatbed, sheet-fed, handheld and drum scanners are some commonly used scanners. The scanners are commonly used scanners we are using in so many areas. Okay, the scanner main use is scanning the document and saving the document, and you can edit it by using a computer softwares. Okay, this is what we seen about input devices. Okay, and other input devices are barcode reader or a point of a sale scanner. Okay, then gamepad or joypad or controller. You can play with a joystick with games for game. And stylus means the pen, like a pen it will come. You can see in the textbook, that is stylus is there. That is the pen like instrument used with the device that use a touch screen display. Okay, this is what about computer peripherals we discussed with input devices. Okay, you read and see the video. Any doubts, ask me. Thank you.